Hello everybody. Today I want to show you how to fix the extended info error. Like for instance, let's go into here. I'm going to hit I on the keyboard of my wireless keyboard, and you'll see down there play, you'll see trailer, and then extended info. And when you try and open it, you'll get the error, could not find valid content type. Okay, what we're going to do is just close out of here. I'm going to hit the S key on my wireless keyboard, my little handheld. Bring up the shortcut to exit. If you don't know about these shortcut keys you can use to navigate your Kodi a lot quicker, I have a video for that. You can check it out if you'd like. And now we're going to exit. Back at the Windows screen, I'm going to double click on the PC icon. Then go to your Windows drive and then to users. Find your user ID. Go to app data. If you don't see app data, click on view and make sure you have hidden items checked. Double click on that. Go down to roaming, the very last one. And here you will see Kodi. Go in there. Scroll up to add-ons. And then scroll down to script.extendedInfo. Open that up. Go to your resources. And then go down to lib, L-I-B. Find the process.py. There's two of them. One of them is process.py and the other one is process.pyo. You want the first one, the process.py. Right click on it and go to open with. I use Notepad++. It makes it so much easier to read. If you don't have it, you can download a full version from their website, or you can do like I have, is just get the portable one so you can lug it around with you. If you open it in Notepad, it's going to make it so hard to read this, and it won't be numbered. You'll see the difference right here. First, I'm going to go ahead and open it in Notepad so you'll see. See how hard this is to read? Now you've got to scroll through and you don't know where you're at. It doesn't have any line numbers here. So we're going to open it in Notepad++. Okay, you see the difference here? It's so much easier to read. You want to scroll down to line, it's about 260. You'll see on the left, the numbers are increasing. 200, and there we go. Okay, mine is 263. That's the line I'm looking for. Oh, well, you want the same line. Yours might not be 263. It could be 260, somewhere around there. Just look for this specific line. That's the line you need to change. It's very simple. You're not going to ruin anything else. I'll say in the parentheses, I'll say system dot has active modal dialog in parentheses. Well, and this is all in quotes on the inside. All you want to do, there's the word active, just delete it. So now it says system.hasModal.dialog. That's it. Plain and simple. Go up here to save. And that's it. Close out. Now open Kodi again. Go back up here again. Where we just were. I'm going to hit the I key on the keyboard. Now let's go back to ExtendedInfo again. Now you see it's working. And this is your ExtendedInfo right here. I'm just using the up and down arrow keys. And you can go left to right to navigate. You'll see there's a lot more info here. This lets you know that there's more artwork. If you don't like this one, you can change the display to this one. And you can do whatever you want to when you're in here. But that's it, plain and simple. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up. Thanks for watching.